Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming requirements, phone model and the OS level, because live wallpapers often need specific OS features. Once done, pick the built-in option or install a trusted wallpaper app. Make sure you grant required permissions. Next, free up memory and close heavy apps so the wallpaper runs smoothly. You're setting the stage for reliability. This prevents crashes, battery spikes, and keeps animation fluid. So start now and proceed to pick or import the wallpaper file. You open Settings or your wallpaper app because the exact controls vary by launcher. From there, select the live wallpaper and preview it. Adjust speed, orientation, and loop settings so motion complements your widgets and icons. Make sure to set whether it applies to home screen, lock screen, or both. Once you apply, swipe, pinch, and open apps to confirm how it interacts with gestures. If it looks choppy, tweak animation quality or reduce active effects to balance aesthetics and performance. You finish by ensuring persistence. Enable auto start and grant background permissions so the wallpaper survives reboots and sleep. Next, disable aggressive battery optimizations for the wallpaper app. This prevents the system from killing it. Once set, reboot and confirm the wallpaper remains. If the image resets or disappears, clear the app cache, reapply the wallpaper, and if necessary, reinstall the app. That usually fixes corrupted settings. One key tip: if problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.